Let's use hoisin sauce to fried Kuay Teow. Hoisin sauce fried Kuay Teow. Sliced carrot and mushrooms. Chopped ginger. Cook Kuay Teow until softened and cut dried chilies into small pieces. Stir-fry onion and chopped ginger. Add carrot sliced and mushroom slices. Add 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce. Add 1 bowl soup broth or hot boiling water. Then add Kuay Teow. Stir-fry Kuay Teow. Season with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Hoisin sauce fried Kuay Teow is done. Yum! Hoisin sauce goes well with Kuay Teow. I'll share recipe of frying yimi with this sauce. Give it a try. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.